jet, Bobby.
Oh, isn't that cool?
Go, go, go!
Where's the Lynette?
Here comes, Bobby, here comes Ellery from all the way up there.
All right.
Who's gonna do?
Okay, Ellery.
Do it, do it, do it. Here, I'll give you a high five on your way down. Okay! Dude, somebody has to move that big ass chunk of ice out of the way. He almost like got his face wrecked by that thing.
All right, Guthrie.
What? Guthrie! Guthrie! Guthrie!
Get out, Guthrie!
Oh, yeah.
That run is awesome!
Go, 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 go!
Oh god, that's cold. You go down!
Where?
Hey, Nick. What about the hillbilly sled there?
That one?
Yeah.
It's not ours.
Well, no one's using it.
Here's my balaclava right over there.
Balaclava, yeah.
You pick it up. Come on, man. You need to hit the jump. Lame.
Dude, I just got
Bye.
frost.
Jump right there on the other side.
Guthrie,
Oh, I see.
you need to go right there so that you can go down, hit two jumps, and then keep going.
Yeah. Dude, it's so scary for a second.
Come on. You next.
No,
Where you
Dude,
going?
Miles, you think it looks sucky from there, but it's so awesome.